What's up, all you rebels? So, I'm sorry for the bad image quality. I just removed the idle air control valve from my BMW 530i V8. The problem was the car's having really insane bad idling. Now, this units are prone or are very common to go out on the cars. I replaced them, just listen. It's very sticky and you can see inside there. I hope you can see that. It's very carbony, right? So I'm gonna show you guys how to reinstall it again. You just to uninstall it, you just follow the same procedure, but this is how you clean it. So I took a piece of how do one call it? What's the stuff called now? Cling wrap, right? In South Africa we call it cling wrap. I'm gonna put the camera here on the floor. Just get the legs a bit closer. Sorry about this. Right. Right, now what you do is you take one end of your cling wrap and you wrap it around the end of the unit. Right, you want it to stick nicely to it, right? Like that. Right, you see that? You got a nice seal. Right, now what you do is you take your carb cleaner. You take your carb cleaner, and just get quickly. I'm gonna use quick start, right? Quick start, and you spray it in the unit. So as you can see, it's quite a substantial amount, right? Right, you fill it up like that to the brim, okay? And let it rest there a bit. Okay, it's running out over here. It's not a problem. See all that black? That's all dirt. And here they, it's immediately free, right? So we had it in there, but you just take your carb cleaner again, spray it, nice and clean. All the black carbon out, right? And now you just let it rest for about, say, 10 to 15 minutes, right? Just like that, okay? So it can just drip all out. Okay, quite part with quick start is that it goes quickly, quick start gets quickly, evaporates quite fast. I'm gonna show you guys how to lubricate it back up again, but now we're gonna do something over here, okay? So what I found out is that my throttle body is extremely dirty, okay, bright around. So I'm gonna clean it up with also some quick start. If I can find some carb cleaner now, it will do really good my yard. Where I live, my dad is a very big, how would one call it, we love cars, so everything is full of, yeah, I have some spark, as in carburetor cleaner. So I'm just gonna clean out my throttle body quickly. So what you do is just take your spark. Oh, that's the name of my dog actually, right? Just see if I can rotate this thing down so you guys can see. Can you guys see my throttle body now? You can't. I wonder if I can do it from this side. Just hold on. My apologies. Take it from over there. Right, like that. Right there, you can see. That's perfect. So, take your spark. Just Nice. Oh gosh, it's dirty. I'm gonna use my quick start again. All the dirt here should just go away. Right, that's fine. Get yourself a nice clean cloth. Each out of that. Clean it up nicely. Open up your butterfly. Clean your lip out nicely. Alright. Here where your idle air control valve goes into. Clean it nicely up. Alright. I'm gonna spray some multi-purpose spray on my linkages quickly, so that's also nice and clean. Multi-purpose spray over here. Alright, that's feeling better. It's just to free up my linkages. That all looks quite nice. Cam positioning sensor looks on. These are your cam positioning sensors. You see they're very easy to replace. They are extremely known to go to hell on these cars. Easy fix in case you have any problems with them. It's this one over there. Yeah. TPS looks nice. The plastic charge, right? What I noticed though for my boot here is that it's torn. Right now, what tearing in BMW's boots means the air is being sucked through here before it passes the mass airflow. Right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna quickly take some duct tape or insulation tape and just close it up quickly, because that's not good on these cars. Okay guys, so as you can see I did a quick temporary fix. I just took some fiber tape and just taped up the whole unit just temporary. Okay. Okay guys, your next step now is to take your WD-40, or I'm using multi-purpose spray, right, and spray it in the idle air control valve. So by holding one side closed, right, okay, let's not use the seal side. Let's actually just hold it like that. Taking your WD-40 and just spraying it in. Alright, so shaking it a bit. We sprayed all the basic lubrication out of the system now. Right, we take out the WD-40 again. Alright. I don't know about you guys, but I love working on this car. I love the simplicity and the easiness of everything. It's an absolute treat. Okay, I'm going to show you guys quickly how to reinstall this. Right, let's move towards the installation process. So, you want to take your idle air control valve, right, and you want to push it firmly into the housing again, right, all the way in, so that there's no air leak. Okay guys, so now we want to put our intake boot back. So we're gonna go like such. oh gosh, like such, in over there first, right? We can just do back like that. I cut myself now, but it's alright. Now we take our socket with our 6mm on it and we just tighten up all the clamps. I want to show you guys a lot of people also out there struggling with the idle control because they don't know what they send their beams to expensive shops and they don't. While it's a good time to check your oil level as well. Just check that. Gosh, I love doing this work. I love it. It's like so therapeutic, honestly. Right, now to prime your idle control valve is a fairly easy process. Move over if you're on a driver, if you're on a right hand side car like we're on South Africa. Your fuse box will be here on your passenger side. I'm just gonna move the engine cover over. I'm gonna put this on here. Like that. Okay. I'm gonna pull back on this clip here. Alright, lift this up. And remove fuse number 23, which is a fuel pump fuse, right? Just see quickly. Why is this always so hard to get the bloody fuse in, the fuse holder in here, honestly? There we go. Pull fuse number 23 out. And now I'm going to show you guys how to prime the system quickly. So I'm just getting my car keys. It's inside the house. This is probably an hilarious DIY, but okay. Right, get inside your car. My brother's sending me messages here. I'm actually using my HTC One to film this, which is not the best idea. So what you want to do is put your key in, turn it to ignition and just prime it. Right, on. Right, off. On. Right, off. On, off, on, off. 10 times, eh? Right, go and put your fuse back in again. Do that quickly. Right, your fuse into number 23. Right, put your fuse holder back. Right, so nothing can fall into the engine while it's running. Where's my socket set? Let me just put my micro socket set on the floor and everything else that can fall into the engine. There. Take these off. Take the cover off. Take this cover, put it over here. Right. And now we're gonna fire up for a cold start. Everything's tightened, all the plugs are in. Right, and here. Please say this works because this car's been idling rough for so long. Neutral. I have a 5-speed manual. I'm super lucky, I know. seems better. We're gonna let it get warm. Thanks very much for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the DIY. Be free, be you, Liberables out.